This might be a bug report. And that's a seagull giving birth, and it is funny as fuck. Do you know what's not funny as fuck? Yes, that is correct. It's super fucking alien seagull car stopping technology which is used to stop cars. I am about to show you something SASP don't want you to know.
Hvad? Honey?
Ja, hallo?
Min bil kører ikke mere.
Did you see that? Not convinced yet? Well then look at this heli equipped with super fucking alien car stopping technology.
Giv den noget zoom. Bare scroll på lortet.
230 Jeg prøver. Jeg har den nu. I got it.
What is it you have, Metabasher? And is this the sound of the device? Let's see this again but with modern video enhanced fucking tools only found in alien reverse bug engineering.
Zoom ind på den. Giv helt ind på den med dig. Giv den noget zoom. Bare scroll på
kommer
lortet.
nu.
230 Jeg prøver.
Prøv lige meget.
Jeg har den nu.
Hvad?
I got it.
Honey?
Ja, hallo?
Min bil kører ikke mere.
Jeg har den nu.
Hvad mener du med, den kører med?
Ja, motoren er slukket.
Er du løbet tør for benzin?
Nej, nu holder du den bare lige, mand.
With the modern video enhanced fucking tools only found in alien reverse bug engineering, it's clear to see that some ancient special FET synthesizer transformer bug is used to stop the car.
Scroll på
kommer nu.
lortet.
230 Jeg prøver.
Prøv lige meget.
Jeg har den nu.
Hvad?
I got it.
Now you know that the alien sound parasite bug is real. Watch the fuck out, they might kill you now that you know.